R.I.P. Teddy!
How did you lose Teddy?
No, he's over there.
Oh, come on.
And then catch it. It's not my fault.
Yes!
Yo.
Alright, we got Teddy.
Teddy's still alive!
Can you get?
Yo, dog, in here, you want to play? There you go.
Is this you? Yeah, this is me. Oh. What's up? I'm gonna go.
Oh, shoot.
Oh no.
Oh my god, I've been stuck like this.
God.
Bro, it's, ow!
Oh.
His whole bum was in my face.
Oh. Did you just like me?
No.
Bro, there is no room for you.
That's home. Keep moving.
I can't.
Just keep moving, guys.
I can't. I'm gonna fall.
I hope you do.
Nice.
Bro, we need to give him space. Back up, Lincoln.
Who?
You're Lincoln.
Not like who? Give his space.
Me!
Why?
I need to get up. I need space.
Go up now.
Go on.
You got that.
There you go. Nice and easy.
Now you go.
What?
Oh, sorry, I thought it was.
Flip, dude. That is just too far. Oh.
If you ready for the body call.
Heck no.
You ready for the body call?
What, right now?
No. Well, we're about to go hands and knees.
You know what, Jackson? I feel very safe with you in front of me.
Why?
Hi. Yeah, you, bro, just go. I'm a liability. You don't want me. You go in front.
No, do not fart. I'm just playing.
Yeah, please do not.
No, yo.
I'm just joking. I was behind you.
Bro, what is happening? What the?
Ow! Oh.
You got to spin it round. Spin your body round facing that way. That way. No, this is the behind you. Or that way. You got it.
Try to hold it as much as I can. Take your time, don't drop through. Okay, because I'm going to be able to
Is this the cave now?
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking.
Is people out?
Serious?
Oh, are we all just like in a hole?
Yo, someone farted.
He's putting people down. No,
You're gonna
Google.
have to make yourself big.
It smells.
You're going to head in that direction. And you're going to go through. 1, 2, 3. I think it's the fourth row.
Mate, we're actually being forced to just. What is this?
That's not problem.
What?
We have to just lie here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're just lying here.
This is really uncomfortable for me, so can you move up?
Google, we can't.
Bro, I'm literally facing forward right now.
Oh, I am going over there.
Goggin.
Yes.
You good?
Yep.
Nah.
He'll be fine.
I found a rock.
Damn, bro, don't kick me in the face.
My bad.
Bro, look at Lincoln. He's on. Are you laying down?
Yes.
Oh.
You okay?
No, who's going first?
I'll go first.
Nah.
I'm
Oh.
going back there. So
Yo, what are you doing to my feet? Stop.
yo, what's he doing?
He's touching my feet. Yo, nah.
Yo, feet tickler.
Ow! You just hit me.
Go get.
Yeah.
Look at her.
I'm gonna.
Did it go in your eye?
No.
Did it go in your mouth?
No.
Where did it go?
I didn't want to do this.
There's
Is this the belly crawl? Ella,
What?
is this the belly crawl?
Yeah, but he's pushing people down
Well, I
one
don't
at a
wanna go
time.
this way, so.
Who's pushing
Hey,
him?
Alan.
Call for Alan.
Alan!
Alan.
Too far.
Call for him like a wave.
Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Throw this at Lincoln, please.
I can hear him down that way.
Alan!
Where?
Why are you looking at me when you
Oh my god, that's a rock! That's a straight up rock you want me to throw at him.
Go back out, if not, I'll come back and get you. And I'll take you.
Okay. I'm not gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna lay down a little bit.
What's up, gang? Oh, man. Ah!
Where you going?
Ow, I'm in so much pain.
Stop lying to me right now. You're not in pain.
What?
You don't.
Okay. No, don't throw it. It's hard.
It is?
Yeah, it's hard. It's gonna hurt.
I hear it.
So Guggen,
Yeah.
you can just tell him I'm here.
Yeah. I'll let him know.
Should we go through that? I want to go through that.
Ella, if you see Alan before me, tell him.
We're going through this.
No. Tell him Mike's still didn't come through.
Oi, can you guys pass the message down? Tell Alan that Mike still hasn't come through.
Mike?
As in, he's not gonna come through.
He's not going to come through
As
if it's
in-
the belly crawl.
If
Mike's
this,
gonna come through yet.
no.
Finish. He's not going to come through if it's the belly crawl.
He's not gonna come through if it's the belly crawl.
Mike's not gonna come through.
Alan, Mike's not gonna come through if it's the belly crawl.
Is it the belly crawl or not?
Is it the belly crawl? Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go back the way we came in.
He's gonna go back the way we came in.
Right, tell him he's going back the way he came in.
He's going
Alan.
back the way he came in.
He's going back the way he came in.
He's going back the way he came in.
Gosh, I love teamwork.
Got
Oh
it.
my god.
I love teamwork.
Where's that old man?
Isn't it brilliant?
Is that okay?
Yep, sound.
Right, how many people until like we can get out of this tiny tunnel?
There's two about to go in.
And there's like
one
5
in the
people
How old are
in
you?
front of me.
Going down.
21.
Oh wait.
Oh.
There's 5 people in front of
Hey,
me.
go.
18.
You turned right when we went in here, right?
Yeah,
Huh?
no, I'm
You
thinking
turned right
that
from
now.
this thing.
Yo, I seen a one video.
Ella?
I thought
Yeah, we turned right. Yeah.
I thought you were 18.
We turned right to come in here, innit?
Yeah. Yeah, we turned right.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, I thought you were 18.
You thought I was 18.
Yo, if I was Mike, I would
Thank
be
you.
scared.
See, Ella?
I'm not gonna go.
He thinks I'm younger rather than older.
How old do you think I am, Lincoln?
19.
12. 12. He thinks you're 12.
You're 19.
I'm 9.
She said she was 12.
No, she said she was 19 on the video thing.
Who said that?
Huh?
You have some good memory. Can you stop throwing stuff at me?
You're ready to get the belly crawl.
Throwing at the floor.
Yeah, I'm throwing at the floor.
Huh?
Tell Alan I'm just gonna wait right here.
Oi, Ella.
Yeah?
You can just tell him to wait at the beginning of the belly crawl.
Okay.
Okay. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do.
Okay. Ella,
Yeah?
if you want to pass it down to Alan, just say Mike is just going to wait by the belly crawl.
Tell Alan Mike's waiting by the belly crawl.
Mike's waiting by the belly crawl.
Alan.
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 Okay.
I'm taking all of this clay home. I'm just building. Bro, I'm playing Minecraft.
Alright.
Yo, I have. You want Teddy? You want Teddy? Anybody want
Not
Teddy?
for the belly crawl. Here. Here.
Yeah, I'm popping Teddy in the belly crawl, bro.
I can.
No, you would have to take it because he will be next to me. He wants to.
Who wants Teddy?
Not me.
Alright, just keep him. When you get here, just.
I'll.
Bro, what
You
is
got it,
taking so
Jackson.
long?
Right, can we move forward now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're moving forward.
Let's go, guys.
You okay? Yeah.
Let's go, guys. It's only you back here.
Which way do you go? Straight? You straight?
Wait, so is the belly crawl tight?
I'm here. I'm right here.
Is the belly crawl tight?
Yes.
I could. No, I cannot jump.
Brother.
Wait up for me, Q. Can I go?
Yo, what if Teddy pops?
Take your time. Come down low. Use your arm. Stay on your leg.
Ah.
Is everybody out of the tunnel? Oh.
No.
Y'all need to move.
Well, bruv, we can't, can we?
Wait for me.
Otherwise we would.
Oh.
Well, I don't know. Maybe
Can I come
they
down
should
now?
be like
You
here.
move.
Wait for me down there.
What's up, man? Get out of here.
Right, Lincoln, move.
I'm trying to, but you guys aren't moving.
Have you ever like thought maybe they put the biggest liabilities at the back?
Liabilities is harsh. Liabilities.
That's why I have the
makes
GoPro and you don't.
You have the GoPro because you have the bloody.
Liabilities. You're back here with us as well.
Yeah, I know. I didn't say anything against like.
You being a liability.
Exactly.
Oh mate, shut
You're
up.
not even a liability.
You're not even a liability. Tell her.
Shut up.
Yeah.
I'm backing you up.
Oh god.
You sounded mad annoying when you said that.
Me?
Yep.
That's I impersonated you. So what does that tell you?
Oh, there's a couple of rooms in the belly
I'm gonna
crawl.
cuddle you.
There's a couple of rooms in
I
the
heard her.
Couple.
Bubble
bubble.
Huh?
Hold on.
Cool.
Where's your buddy?
I'm right here.
Sit on that thing.
Okay. Let's stay right there for your buddy.
I'm just better. For you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, anyone here?
Teddy, are you sure you're not letting off?
Wait, can I drop
Lincoln,
Teddy down there
what?
first?
Are you letting off some bombs back here or something?
Bro, no.
Bro, I'm telling you.
That's her.
Ella,
Right, how would it be me if he didn't like? Come on now. Think of diffusion.
this is a safe space. If anyone's letting them off,
Yeah.
please let me know so I just know.
I'm
No, I took
it's-
anti-diarrhea,
honest-
so it's
honestly,
not
I'm
me.
not doing it.
Have you ever thought maybe it's you letting off silent but violent?
What?
I
What?
thought it's silent but deadly.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
It's really wide.
Solid before not.
Go on, go, man. Look at my neck right now, and you're holding me back.
Hold on. Keep on going.
Can I come down?
You see that?
Not yet.
I'm gonna touch.
Right there? Yeah.
Your light's dead.
Just go till you get to that, to the big room.
It's not.
Yes, it is. The one. That, oh.
All right.
What'd I say?
Remember everything you do and say is being.
Oi, Ella, did you guys do your swim test?
No.
Y'all are
I know
weirdos
they're all
for that.
doing it right now as well.
What?
I said I know they're all doing it right now as well.
That's crazy. You guys didn't do your swim test? Y'all can't swim.
I can. I'm a lifeguard.
I mean, we're lifeguard. We're on about the girls.
Well, you're just a better lifeguard.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, he's not. He's rubbish.
I rate that.
Oh,
I rate that for
He'll
Lincoln.
save me.
Down there.
He
Huh?
saves lives.
I'll save lives. If Lincoln and
I'm
you
in.
went down, I'd get Lincoln.
Dang. That's because I have the GoPro, right?
Everybody.
And then you can use
No,
that
it's
as
'cause
evidence that you're a
my-
hero.
It's because you're my camper.
Okay, come on.
Oh, heck nah.
Take your time, coming down. Okay?
Oh my.
This foot here,
God.
let me guide this one, okay?
If I fully let go, though, I'm smashing my head. Oh, whatever. Ow!
Go down, there. That
Oh.
right there.
I don't care. I'm not holding on to nothing. I'm just
Reach
dropping.
down to the floor.
Oh, what do
Keep that foot there. Reach this one here down to the floor. There.
Oh.
Now you're there.
Oh, heck nah.
And they went that way.
Okay.
Alan,
Yeah.
should I have brought Mike down here because he didn't want to do the belly crawl? Or should I leave him over there?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
I said, should I tell Mike to come through here or should I leave him over there?
Leave him.
Okay, cool.
He knows where he's going.
He doesn't.
Okay, I'm coming down.
He's
Yeah, to
gonna.
the right.
He said he'll just stay there by the entry.
Take your time. Take your time coming down. Okay? This foot here, you're going to reach down a little bit more to, there's a ledge.
Right there?
No, not quite. Let this one go. Down more. Come on down. Use your arms to lower yourself there. On the ledge, this one here now. Reach all the way down to the floor.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah. Okay, all the way down to the floor.
Oh, thank you.
Let me get out of the way. There you go.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's so dark.
You got it.
Your lost campers thing.
Okay, hold up a second. Wait till he's out of the way. You got it. Yeah. All right, there he goes. Okay, now use your arms to lower yourself down.
Where am I going? Which way?
To the right.
Okay.
You put this foot here. There's a ledge below that foot. There. Okay. And then this one here, you can go to the floor. Somebody lost a knee pad.
Was it me? No, it wasn't me.
You go that way. You can go forward if you want. It's up to you, whatever feels good. It's so much easier, that's it. Yep.
You said my name?
GoPro.
What?
Lincoln.
What?
You don't know where to go after this.
Stop. You're gonna stop it from each other.
It's cold. Did you step in the water?
No.
I did. I fell in the water.
Oh, that's cold. Yo, there's water.
Watch out for the puddling water.
Is it flooding?
No.
No.
Then don't worry about it.
No, you could step in it. It's like mad cold.
No, you should have told them about it. I'm gonna have to fall in it.
Oh, I'm almost fell.
1, 2, 3, 4, Who's left? 5, 6.
Oh man, Mike went down to the belly crawl. He's at the end of the belly crawl.
He's not doing it, so he just does it. So it's.
Oh yeah,
Is this right? Is this right?
Alan's back in, I'm gonna call him. Who else is left back there?
Grogan.
Another one of the boys probably.
Yo, Goggin. I think I'm gonna make him.
I think all the girls.
Wait, where's the?
Oh, who's splashing water?
Goggin, there's water right there.
Don't tell him, let him fall.
No.
Yo, who lost the knee pad?
What?
Someone else.
Wait, what?
Oh,
that's mine.
Oh, that's yours?
No, that's mine.
What is that?
That's not yours.
Wait, can somebody hold Teddy?
Someone's
Is that
missing a
yours?
knee pad.
Who's missing a knee pad?
No one's missing a knee pad, no?
Yeah, I know. Well,
Ella, did you lose your knee pad?
Where's the leaning?
Here, look, knee pad.
Where's the leaning?
You just tossed it in the hole.
Not nobody gets a knee pad.
Whose knee pad is it?
Yo, there's water right there.
Whose is it?
It's cold.
I have both mine.
Guys, the door needs
Because I accidentally stepped in it.
right there.
How do you accidentally slip in it?
Oh,
I slipped.
Oh!
Again, check if you have two knee pads. Tap, tap.
Knees.
I dare you to jump in it.
What kind of crazy girl is that?
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.